Hello bankers. Today the video is for the bankers and this is of CAIIB. I'm just writing here C A IIB A B M. Now this is for economics. This is specifically in economics. This is the first question in CIB ABM, that is the Advanced Bank Management. So just see here, I'm just writing the question here. It will be useful for the bankers too as well as for the economics students too. Just see here, demand for a product, let's say demand for a product at rupees 4 per unit. Per unit is, let's say, 50. Okay, is 50. Now what are they asking is, if the price elasticity of demand is 2, how much the demand will be at rupees 3 per unit. So this is the question here. We will just recall once again the question. First we will understand what is the question. The question is of economics, that is the price elasticity of demand. The question is of price elasticity of demand. So just see the question once again. Demand for a product at rupees 4 per unit is 50. Okay. If the price elasticity of demand is 2, how much the demand will be at rupees 3 per unit? So we will see quickly the options. The first option is 25. The second option is 40. Then the third option is 60 and the last option is 70. So you have seen the question, I hope, and the options too. So we will just quickly solve the answers. So now see here. See, whenever they are asking you the price elasticity of demand, see how to know what to do. So just see here, what's the formula of price elasticity of demand? Price elasticity of demand. Price elasticity of demand is equal to the percentage change in the quantity demanded divided by I'm just writing here like this, divided by the percentage change in price. Okay, so this is the formula. Just keep in mind the formula here. I'm just marking it with the red color. Just see, this is the formula of price elasticity of demand. So now just see here. So this is your price elasticity of demand. So so what are they asking you here is, they are asking you elasticity of demand, right? So price elasticity of demand they are asking you. So we will calculate now. Price elasticity of demand is equal to the percentage change in quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in price. Now we don't know the quantity demanded and all. How much is there? So first we will calculate this one. Okay. So we will calculate the percentage change in quantity demanded. Okay. So what we will do now is we will first calculate this one. How will we calculate this? Is just see here. Let's suppose we'll take that as x. So x minus the rate is 50, right? So x minus 50. X minus 50. Then comes x minus 50 divided by the price. Divided by the price is 50. Multiplied by, we will take 100. So now just see here. So x minus 50 divided by 50 multiplied by 100, which will be equal to x minus 50 multiplied by 2 will take, which is equal to 2x minus 50, which is equal to 2x minus 50. Now just see here, this is your percentage change in quantity demanded, which is 2x50. I'm just highlighting this in blue color. Just see carefully. This is your numerator. Now we will see. Just a moment. So now just see here, the denominator will find out, that is the percentage change in price. So what is the change in price in terms of percentage? Now we will just calculate here. You see here now, what is the price? The price was 50 here. Then they are asking the change in price, right? Change in price will be the, what their question was, if the price of elasticity of demand is 2. So this is your price. So we will keep it in the denominator 2. And what is the first price? First price was 4. And then here, how much will be the demand? Will be at rupees 3 per unit. So 4 minus 3 is 1. So we will take here 1. So 1 by 2 multiplied by, as it is in percentage, we will multiply it by 100. So we will get the answer as 50. This is 2. This is 5. The answer is 50. So what we will do is, we will first mark this. This is our first, this is our second answer which we derive. Then comes the next one, that is the, what the question was, price elasticity of demand. So we will see now, price elasticity of demand is equal to, what was the question? That is this one. Now just write here, that is the percentage change in quantity, percentage change in the quantity demanded divided by the percentage change in price. Now just see here, what is the price elasticity of demand? Price elasticity, that is the, this one they are asking is, price elasticity of demand is 2, right? So we will just write here 2 equals to, the first answer what we got is 2x minus 50, right? So what we will do is, we will write 2x minus 50 divided by, I am just keeping like this for you so that you can able to link it. Then comes the change in price. The second answer which we got is 50, right? 50. So now what we will do now is, we will 50, so we will calculate this. 52s are, it will come here. So 100 is equal to 2x minus 50. 2x minus 50. Now comes the next one. 100 plus 50, you can take here. 100 plus 50, it will be, I am just writing here 150. How it came? 100, this 100 plus this 50 will come here, because the minus sign will change when it comes here. So 100 plus 50 is 150 is equal to 2x. Now the answer will be, see, 2x is equal to, sorry, not 2x, x is equal to 150 divided by 2, which is equal to 75. So x will be 75. So your answer will be answer will be 75. So this is your answer. I am just highlighting this answer. This is your answer. So the answer is, we need to find out that x, right? So the x is 75. So x we have got, that is 75. So this is your answer for the respective question. This question is very useful for the CIIB bankers who are attempting the ABM question paper, that is the ABM subject, Advanced Bank Management. Also for the economic students, it will be very useful.